good, sis? We back at it again with another wig review. Aren't you happy? I know, you gotta get your daily dose of Kia. I already know how you get down, alright? So, to start off, this wig is 20 inches, 150%. The density is 150%. It is a deep wave hair texture. It is a 360-degree lace wig, because, duh. The knots are bleached. And this is a pre-plucked hairline. Y'all know how I feel about the pre-plucked hairline, because I just feel like companies need to hop on that pre-plucked hairline train, just because it's way easier for us wig wearers to actually, you know what I'm saying, get up and go with the wig. Plucking is a long process, and I just wish every wig came plucked. But as you can see, this wig looks super natural. I love the density. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. The hair is just, I ain't gonna lie, it's off the chain. But you could tell though, the curl pattern is super cute. I like the little wave. It's not, you know, it's a cute little loose wave. And I'm just slicking her up into this ponytail just to show y'all what exactly sis can do. You know? But yeah. So I am actually styling this off of my head because I feel like it's easier for me to actually slick this into a ponytail when it's not on my head. I look super dusty and dingy, but I mean, what's new? So as you can see, I did use a spray bottle just to get the majority of it slicked up. And then I went in with some setting, what is that called? Mousse? Setting foam? Whatever. I used that just because I didn't want to use gel. I don't want it to be, you know, a crunchy kind of look. You see the luster on that? Look at sis. Look at the shine. Look at the luster. Look at the luster. And right here, I'm just wetting the ponytail just so I can, you know, get the curls back popping. Even though I know I was gonna put it in a bun anyway. But yeah, I love how this came out. This looks amazing. Look at this. This is a nice juicy bun. She came undone. She came undone, but that's okay. I ended up putting this scrunchie that I personally made. I handmade this. Yeah, did you know I make clothes? I made this. I really don't know where I was going with that part, but yeah, this is her. And I eventually ended up installing her while it was already styled. You know what I'm saying? That was just took me way too long to get out. But yeah, just doing nice subtle baby hairs. Nothing major at all. Something, I really wanted this style to look like as effortless as possible. Like I literally just woke up. That was the look I was going for. Sissy, I look crazy with no makeup on and these lashes. And these lashes is way, look at the wig. Period. Alright. Whoa, I be forgetting to take this down when I be filming because it be kind of distracting. I be needing y'all to look at the wig though. 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 The wig. So anyways, what's up? What's good, huh? Long time no see. This wig though. Ew, I look so ugly. I probably should have did my makeup a little bit more. I did my brows and I did my what? Okay, anyways. So this wig is from Sogoodhair. Love this company so much. If you didn't know, fun fact, if you didn't know, they actually had, I don't know if they still have me on there, but they have me on their homepage, on their website. We made it. Period. So, anyways, these lashes are too extra for me not to have no makeup on. I look wild. Yeah, so this is the box that it came in. I've also had another wig from them. It was a bob and it was kind of like wavy and it was kind of like super cute and people liked it. So sorry, my head itch. I need to wash my real hair. But yeah, so I basically showed you the process of how I did this bun. Do you like it? I love it though. It's a 360-degree wig, so I'm trying to post. Give me a run for my money. Hey. So just love. This just looks real wait, this just looks real like, oh, I just woke up type stuff, you know? Really messy I like it like that. This is the look I was going for. On my way to the gym, fresh out of the shower, my hair's still drying type shit, you know? So that's what we doing all day, every day. So if you want to pick this wig up, this is only like 2 of how many? I think this is my second 360-degree wig, and the first one, tripping. I feel like the first one I didn't even put up in the. That's beside the point. Anyways, I really thoroughly enjoy this wig. I like that it's giving me a run for my money. No, I'm just like, no, I just like how natural it looks. The baby hairs, I did that myself. Like, you know, the little wispies and stuff like that. I wanted it to look like that. I wanted it to look super natural, like I just woke up. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Hold on. Anyway, so yeah. Let me know what y'all think. A lot of people be asking me too, what I used to edit with, what software I used. I need to put something on my face because it's dry as hell. But I use Final Cut Pro. My intro, I made that on Final Cut Pro as well. But you don't have to have Final Cut Pro to have that kind of intro. That intro was easy as hell to make. You can even make it on iMovie. Like if you have a iPhone, sis, you could do that. I should do a tutorial, shouldn't I? Alright, so don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. Let's be friends, sissy. Let's be friends, sissy. Bye, I'll see you on my next video.